It's history made at the Oi Hockey Stadium in Tokyo as India, after 41 years, has managed to make a podium finish. The Indian hockey team has managed to make a podium finish in the Olympic Games. They won a bronze, defeating Germany 5-4. We are getting various reactions from the family members and from villages across the country. Let's have a look at some of them. This is the 4th medal for India in the Tokyo Olympic Games. Of course, there was a first show from Mirabai Chanu, that followed by a bronze medal from PV Sindhu. Yesterday, there was a bronze medal courtesy Lavlina Borgohain, and then a bronze medal coming, a bronze medal finish by the Indian men's hockey team. Their stories will be long told. Many thought they wouldn't live this day. They wouldn't live to see an India hockey team on the podium once again. The last, the last time they finished on the podium was back in 1980 in Moscow when they had won a gold. Their stories will become legends, and names like Harmanpreet Singh, Rupinder Singh, Simranjeet Singh will be talked about for a very, very long time, along with PR Srijesh, who is now being called the Great Wall of Indian hockey. The way he has defended through the tournament has been fantastic, along with Amit Rohidas, who stood tall in Indian defence. A lot of these boys, remembered, stayed locked down in the Sports Authority of India hostel during the COVID, and they also contracted coronavirus before they started their Tokyo Olympic preparations. It has been a moment of joy, exhilaration. It's also been a moment of relief, big relief for them, because they were waiting for this moment for a very long time. This marks the beginning of a new period for Indian hockey, because for the first time in 41 years, they have ended at the podium of the Olympic Games. It's not all over in hockey. Remember, tomorrow, Indian women's hockey team also play their bronze medal match, and perhaps this medal will have an impact on their psyche, their performance, and they will perhaps be able to lift their game against Great Britain and win another medal for India. For now, India has won 4 medals at the Olympic Games. The 5th medal is assured courtesy Ravi Dahiya. He has his wrestling bout later today at around 4:40 p.m. Win or loss, India will get a medal because that's a bronze medal wrestling match. For the moment, big news coming in this morning. Courtesy the men's Indian hockey team, they beat Germany 5-4 to win a medal at the Tokyo Olympic Games. Let's listen into some of the family reactions.
40 साल बाद इन्होंने बालगढ़ तो बाद ओलंपियन पहली जित लिया, अपनी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जित लिया। बहुत खुशी वाली गल है, बहुत ज्यादा खुशी वाली गल।
मतलब खुशी दे आंसू है, खुशी के
सारा बहुत खुशी अब लिया, कोई अंत ना हो खुशी का, कोई अंत है खुशी का ना हम लोग बखान कह सके।
और ये बहुत ज़रूरी था इंडिया के लिए जीतना, क्योंकि इतने साल से कोई मेडल था नहीं, तो ये कमबैक है इंडिया का हॉकी में ओलंपिक स्टेज पे, एंड रियली वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट।
हम लोग यही इंतजार कर रहे थे कब इंडिया जीते।
Show you some shots coming in from Kerala, where PR Srijesh, the goalkeeper's family, is doing a video conferencing with him shortly after the win.
ആദ്യ പ്രതികരണം എന്താണ്? ഒന്ന് അച്ഛൻ ഒന്ന് കൊണ്ട് തിരിക്കാം. Thank you.
There's a big media contingent at PR Srijesh's house as well.